If you don't start investing today, you're leaving your financial future in the hands of chance. Think about that for a second. No plan, no strategy, just hope. And hope is not a financial plan. The harsh truth is, every day you wait, you're missing out on the opportunity to build wealth. But don't worry, it's not too late. You're in the right place, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to take control of your financial future. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 5 simple steps to start investing, even if you've never done it before. These are the same steps that can help you shift from surviving to thriving financially. So, let's dive in. Before we jump headfirst into the stock market, let me ask you something. Have you ever tried diving into a pool with no water? Doesn't sound too fun, right? Well, investing without an emergency fund is kind of like that. It's a dangerous move. An emergency fund is your financial cushion. It's the safety net that ensures you can handle life's surprises, whether it's a sudden car repair, medical bill, or job loss. Experts recommend 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Start there. Because here's the truth. No matter how good your investments are, if an emergency hits and you're forced to pull out your money, you could lose big. So, how do you start investing without worrying about the next crisis? Simple. Step 2 will take care of that. All right, quick question. What's scarier to you? Skydiving or watching your stocks drop 20%? If you said both, don't worry, you're not alone. Risk tolerance is key when it comes to investing. It's all about knowing how much risk you can handle without losing sleep at night. Younger investors like you generally have a higher tolerance for risk because you've got time on your side. You can afford to ride out the ups and downs. But if watching your portfolio dip causes heart palpitations, you might want to consider safer options like bonds or index funds. Now that you know how much risk you can handle, the exciting part comes next, choosing your investments. But stick with me. There's more strategy involved. Here's where most beginners trip up. They think investing is about picking the next Amazon or Apple. Spoiler alert, it's not. Instead, you should focus on index funds and ETFs. Why? Because they allow you to invest in a broad section of the market, spreading out your risk and giving you exposure to dozens, even hundreds, of companies with one investment. It's like ordering the sampler platter at a restaurant. You don't have to commit to one dish. You get a taste of everything. Who doesn't love that? The best part? Index funds historically have solid returns. And with ETFs, you don't need a huge pile of cash to get started. But here's the cliffhanger. This is just the beginning of your journey toward building wealth. Let's be honest. Most people fail to invest regularly because life gets busy. But here's the secret sauce that separates average investors from the wealthy ones. Automation. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts, whether it's $50, $100, or more, every month. This way, you don't have to rely on willpower or timing the market. It's automatic wealth building. And remember, time in the market beats timing the market. It's like putting your investments on autopilot, except there's no annoying flight attendant telling you to buckle your seatbelt. But how do you know where to send those contributions? That's where the final step comes in. You've heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket, right? Well, that's especially true in investing. Diversifying your portfolio, meaning spreading your investments across different sectors like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even cryptocurrency, can protect you from major losses. But diversification alone isn't enough. You also need to regularly rebalance your portfolio to ensure you're maintaining the right mix of investments. It's the key to long-term success. Without rebalancing, your risk levels could spiral out of control. And trust me, that's not a risk you want to take. So what's the final secret to maximizing your investments and creating the financial future you dream of? Well, the real secret lies in the consistency and mindset you bring to this process. And I've got even more strategies to help you with that. Here's the bottom line. Investing isn't as complicated as it seems. It's about taking those first steps, building smart habits, and being consistent. You don't have to know everything today. but what you do today matters for the rest of your life. You now have the blueprint: your emergency fund, understanding risk, index funds, automation, and diversification. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take action, and time is money. Hope you liked this video. Do subscribe this channel to encourage me for another video.